Strive Loop is a lightweight and versatile running belt with optimized storage for shorter runs or to be used as a complement to a running vest. It has a snug fit and is available in 5 different sizes. It's made from soft, breathable ripstop nylon that makes it comfortable to wear, and with elastic mesh pockets for flexible use. It has a wide, soft and elastic waistband that is adjustable for a perfect fit and to stay in place during runs. Putting it on takes just seconds. Smooth, simple, and gets you moving in no time. Pull the drawstring to tighten the waistband. On the front, you have 3 expandable mesh pockets that give easy access to gels, bars, and accessories. To access the back pockets, simply twist the belt around. In the back, you find a speed pocket with dual entrance. Here you can fit extra accessories. Or even a wind jacket if needed. The zippered pocket on the front is weatherproof and keeps your things safe. It has an integrated key hook. And is perfect for your phone. It has reflective details for extra visibility in darkness, both in the front and in the back. These attachment loops can be used in multiple ways for extra gear. The elastic bands have anti-slip silicone on the inside and is used for easy attachment of your running poles. So, if you need a simple but versatile and comfortable running belt for your everyday run, the Strive Loop is the belt for you.